This is your reading for today. The topic we are looking at is what is this new chapter that you are stepping into? In the collective, the energy of a new chapter, a new shift in your life is very high. Now, this new shift is in a very, very specific setting. You have left a family situation behind and you are now in a new family setup. And this is a very specific situation that is coming up again and again in the collective, and which is why I am saying this: you in a new family setup situation in the collective, the energy in the collective is very high. For many of you, it could also be that there was an earlier marriage or a relationship that did not work out. You have left it behind and you have made a new choice. Some of you could have entered into a new partnership, a marriage, a new understanding. Some of you could have left an old family setting behind and come into a new setting. Now, there are children involved over here, and it is a very sensitive and a delicate matter. For you also, this is a very sensitive time because the past that you are coming from, it is a past which has had a lot of heartbreak, which has had a lot of betrayal. There was a lot of break of trust, and this break of trust and heartbreak has come to you from people who were very close to you. They were like family to you, right? Now, you are now in this new setting. Things are much better. Things are happier. Things are a lot more stable for you. But somewhere or the other, there is a pain that keeps coming back. You know, it is like an old wound, and sometimes when you hit something very hard on that wound, it starts bleeding again, it starts paining again. That is the kind of energy that is present right now. Okay, now the question for you to consider over here is, you have found a new soulmate in your life, that is for sure. This is a situation that is a lot more stable than earlier. This is a situation where now when you come into this partnership, relationship, home setting, you feel a lot more peace. But, and this is a very big but for you over here, you are carrying a lot of burden of the past. Even now in situations when you are reacting and responding, you are coming from a space where you are responding from a place of trauma. You have not healed those wounds. So when somebody says something to you right now, it reminds you of a situation which was there in your life earlier, and your response becomes very bitter because you think, oh, this is like the same thing. This is not like the same thing. The person who is saying this to you right now, they are not coming from the place of distrust and betrayal and trying to hurt you. No, they are coming from a place of love. They are making you an offer of peace. And what they are saying is just a very simple comment. You do not need to get so worked up over it. And I understand your situation. It was very difficult. But do you want this new beginning or do you not want it? If you want this new beginning, it is here in your life. You have to simply bury everything in the past. It is gone. It is over. Be assured it is not coming back to you. The pain is not coming back to you. But if you let the past pain into your present response, then nobody else but only you are responsible for bringing that pain into your life. There is rebirth, there is regeneration. The universe has given you a very big and beautiful chance of creating a new family, a new partnership, a new happiness for yourself. Don't bring the past into it. It is gone. You are here, you have survived the pain, and because you are deserving of a beautiful new beginning. Are you ready to create it? This is your chance.